JCID Android Engineering Cable, all-in-one functionality for fast access to engineering mode. Support deep flashing and non-removal NAND chip read and write. Connect the Android Engineering Cable to a computer. Support multiple mode switching. The light is off by default. Indicates standard data cable mode can charge the phone. Press the button once, green light on, it enters Samsung DL mode. Press again, green light on, it enters Huawei 1.0 port mode. Press again, green light on, it enters Qualcomm DL mode. Note: install drivers before using Qualcomm DL or Huawei 1.0 mode. Demo: standard data cable mode. Lights off by default. Plug into the phone to use as a normal data charging cable. Press the button once to enter Samsung DL mode. The device must be powered off before connecting. Then it enters Samsung DL mode. For micro USB port, switch the engineering cable to the micro USB end. Phone must also be powered off to enter DL mode. Huawei 1.0 mode demo. Press the button twice in common mode. Open JCID Repair Assistant P13, P15 interface. Check ports in Device Manager. Power off the phone before entering Huawei 1.0 mode. After powering off, short boot _mode _ test to the shield with tweezers. Keep contact. Then plug in the cable. Device Manager will show the 1.0 port is active. Qualcomm DL mode demo. Press the button 3 times in common mode. The phone must also be powered off. Plug in the engineering cable. Device Manager will show the EDL port. These are demo devices. Supported models are not fully listed. Please test or check official updates.